How to use TikTok Q&A feature step by step. To use the TikTok's Q&A feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the TikTok application onto your device. Once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. From here, scroll down to the settings and privacy. From here, select the creator option, which should be available over here at the top. And then once you access the creator tools, you simply have to tap the Q&A option and select the red turn on Q&A button. Once you do this, now you simply have to manage and answer your questions. Navigate to your profile and then tap your public Q&A box link, swipe through the list of user submitted text prompts, then tap the answer button right next to the question you like. Your camera will immediately open with the user's questions pinned on your lens screen as an interactive text sticker. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.